a land where the morning calm conceals an unyielding spirit of innovation. For over 5 centuries, the Joseon dynasty ruled the Korean peninsula, leaving behind a legacy of breathtaking architecture and profound wisdom. Welcome to the hidden history of Korea, a history that still shapes the future today. In ancient Korea, harmony wasn't just a philosophy, it was a science. The architects of Joseon built palaces that breathed with nature. The scholars created Hangul, a revolutionary alphabet designed not for the elite but for the masses, ensuring that information could be shared instantly and transparently. This obsession with creating a system that connects people seamlessly was the foundation of Korean innovation, a system built on absolute trust. Long before the internet, Korea possessed one of the fastest communication networks, the Bong-su system. Using beacon fires, information traveled the country in hours. Speed, security, decentralized nodes passing information without a single point of failure. The ancestors of Korea understood the power of the network. Fast forward to the 21st century. That ancient DNA has awakened once again, not in the mountains, but on the blockchain. That ancient spirit of speed and trust, it's here, right now. Welcome to Plus Mainnet, the next generation of Layer 1 blockchain technology. While other networks struggle, Plus Mainnet delivers an astonishing 1 millisecond latency. It's not just a coin, it's a revolution. Experience the WPLS wallet and earn a 30% instant affiliate reward. Secure your Plus coin now at plusmain.net. Own the future. From the beacon fires on the mountains to the speed of light on the blockchain, the philosophy remains unchanged. Precision, power. The hidden history of Korea teaches us one vital lesson. Those who build the fastest, most secure networks shape the future. Thank you for joining us.